All right, guys, today's the day. The installers are on their way. They're going to get the stove put together, get it installed, and this project's going to be done. I'm really excited. I still haven't even taken this thing out of the crate yet. Like I said, this stove is 700 pounds. I did add most of the accessories that I could add to it as far as heat shields and ash pans, stuff like that. But I'm really excited to see this stove in person, all put together. It should be online. They look like a really beautiful stove. So pretty excited about getting this thing put together and getting it installed. So hope y'all enjoy. All right, guys, as you've seen, the wood stove is installed. That thing was a bear to pick up. Like I said, 700 pounds, just bare stove, but it's in. We're ready for winter time now. I'll probably do some more videos on this. I had to do a break-in period of 3 different fires in it to season the paint on the cast iron and to season or I guess break in the soapstone that's all over it. But let me show you guys this. So here it is. This is the Woodstock Progress Hybrid wood stove. It's covered in soapstone. It's got the ash lip down here. This is to engage or disengage the catalyst. It does have an ash pan down here. It's a little stiff. There's the ash pan, the door. Pretty good sized firebox in here. Air damper control is right back here. That's all the way open, all the way shut down. This tin back here actually came off of my grandparents' place, so I'm pretty excited to have that here as an addition for the rear heat shield. Now this stove, where it's sitting on the hearth, it's quite a bit more than all the minimum standards without the heat shields on it, so no issue there. We've got it stuck out here kind of towards the front. That was kind of where I wanted it. I wanted to make sure I had plenty of room over on this side to load the wood stove. There's quite a bit of space out back. But let me know your thoughts on this wood stove. What kind of wood stove are you all using in your houses, or using fireplace, or are you burning wood at all? This wood stove or appliance or whatever you want to call it, it's built well enough and everything's serviceable on this stove. This thing should last a lifetime. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.